In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than 30 stocks in your TradingView watch list. This is a handy trick for those of you who like to keep an extensive watch list and need a little more capacity than the default limit allows. If you're ready to make your TradingView experience more seamless and effective, let's dive right in. First, let's visit TradingView, which is the hub for all your market tracking needs. Whether you're interested in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or commodities, TradingView offers a comprehensive platform to analyze and monitor your investments. Head over to their website by opening your browser and typing in TradingView's URL. Once you're on the home page, you'll immediately see a range of features that make managing your portfolio a breeze. Now let's navigate to the products section. This is where you can explore the different tools and utilities that TradingView offers. Look for the Products tab, usually situated at the top of the page. Clicking here will unveil a drop-down menu, giving you access to a variety of features that cater to all kinds of traders and investors. Among these options, make sure to click on Screeners. Screeners are an essential tool if you want to filter stocks, forex, or even cryptocurrencies according to certain criteria. They're especially useful if you're dealing with a large number of assets and need to quickly refine your selections. By using screeners, you can effectively sort through thousands of stocks to find the ones that match your specific investment goals. Now, it's time to select all the stocks that you're interested in adding to your watch list. Within the screener, you'll usually find a checkbox or a button that allows you to select all visible stocks at once. This saves you time from having to click on each stock individually, streamlining the entire process. With your selected stocks ready, the next step is crucial. You want to right-click on your selection and choose the option to move them to your watch list. This function may be referred to as Add to Watch List or something similar, depending on the interface. Right-clicking brings up a context menu where you can find this option. Choosing this will move all the selected stocks into your watch list in one go. And there you have it. With this quick trick, you've successfully expanded your watch list beyond the usual 30 stock limit on TradingView. This method not only allows you to keep track of more stocks, but also enhances your ability to monitor market conditions and make informed decisions. Remember to revisit your watch list periodically to remove any stocks that no longer serve your current strategy. As always, happy trading and may your investments flourish with your newfound efficiency.